This is Bishkek train station. Some sort of service train. Noisy little train just passing. This is what the normal train is like down here, you can see. Nice green colour, isn't it? Not short either. It was way up there in the distance. So I'm just on the platform now, so it might be a little bit noisy. But as you can see, there's a statue of Lenin. I'm on the train now. I'm going to take a little ride across the city. It seems like more of a long distance train, but it's being used as a commuter train effectively. This is the only one going all day in that direction, so lucky to get it. It's not too busy though. I think most people go by bus instead. A ride around town is costing 5 som, which is about, well, it's less than 5 pence. Now that's the one train a day in the opposite direction, just arriving. Old-fashioned steam train there. So that's my train carrying on for about 2 or 3 more hours out of town. I'm quite pleased to be off there actually. I mean, I enjoyed it. It's only a short ride, but it was like a sauna on there. So nice to get some fresh air again. I've just noticed this plaque on the wall of the station commemorating the first train to arrive in Bishkek, or Pishpek as they're calling it there, in 1924. You've got Bishkek 1 and Bishkek 2. Now this is actually Bishkek 1. It's the smaller one and it's out of the city centre, whereas Bishkek 2 is actually much bigger and in the city centre. And I just tried to go inside, but it's now closed for the day because that's the only train to go, so they have no reason to stay open. So at 6 PM the train station closes.